So we've got the 2 seats taken out of the machine and we're about to install the bag. So we're just gonna come on inside here and you just basically put these underneath the plastic, rotate, and they clip right on there. And then you wanna keep some tension on her and get these he's got a stereo installed on here, so it's kind of tough, but showing that it will work with the power base stereo. And then these you just snake her up and over like so, and then you're going to want to run them back down here and do the same way, clip like that. Same with the other side, come up here, snake this through. It'll be a lot easier if you don't have a stereo in the back window, but it will also work if you do. So this is a good way of showing you. Just got to kind of take a little bit of adjustment there, and then put this one on here again, and then you're going to want to center it out. Make sure it's all centered, and then you're going to pull these tight and straighten everything out. Takes a little bit of straightening out, and pull it tight like that, give her an adjustment, and there you go. You can tuck these behind here nicely, and now it actually looks really clean. I'm really impressed with that product. So yeah, you've got tons of storage right between your 2 passengers, and you'll be able to store lots in there. Super easy to get into. Easy to close, easy to open up. Sorry about the lighting in this video. We've got a full cab on the machine and everything, so it's kind of tough, but this is basically your bag. Fits with the power base stereo, or pretty well, I'm guessing, any soundbar you have on the back. Worst case, you're gonna have to lift it up and then run the straps through and then down. But yeah, fits really well. Great product, very good quality, good mesh. And this is nice too, because you're not going to see a lot of wear in here, but this is built just as strong as the door bags, which see a little bit more wear and tear, which you can actually see he's got on in the corner there. He has the Kemimoto door bags, they're matching. They look great together, good combo. Thank you guys for checking out the video, and we'll see you in the next one.